Hello viewers, how are you all? I hope all are doing great and I am also well. Today I am very excited and we all know that in this day our bravest and our brave martyrs live their lives for our mother language, to protect our mother language, and so all over the country's people celebrate this day as their mother language. And for this is 21st February, and I also um, still here play on our mother language song. I am hearing this, and now uh, to show respect our our martyrs, and I also give their flower. And in our countries people, almost all peoples show respect, show respect their bravest, show respect their bravest martyrs by offering flower. So this is not that I am now speaking in English. For this I do not love my mother tongue. I also love very much my mother tongue, Bangla, and I am now speaking in English because this is my daily practice habit. I am trying to make a habit by practicing daily English because I want to speak English fluently. This is our second tone. This is our second official tone. Bangla is our first and mother language tone. I know well Bangla because this is our mother tongue, and everyone can well speak in their mother tongue. Uh, this is I'm speaking English since just for 30 minutes every day to make my English fluent. So today I also share you also another thing that I am also very grateful that you are watching me and also listening. You are here listening me, and I think you also speaking every day and practicing with me. This is our third day of speaking, our speaking journey, and I am uh, also try to share with you to to show you that when I will go our Shohid Minar to respect our bravest martyrs, and when I also will offer them flower, then I want to try to catch over my camera the moment. Uh, Now this is time the morning. The sun is rising, birds singing, uh, and together this the weather is make very calm and cold. The time is morning, and for this the weather is not so cold or so warm. This is the middle balance, and I'm feeling the weather very much. And around me there are no people, and my home is situated in the cities. So for this, every time I heard a lot of noise and distraction, vehicles sounds, horn, and this makes me very stressed and angry. But what I can do? And for this, uh, every morning, every morning early, I wake up and I wake up and go out to speak English in a calm place like this. You know that I'm also a learner like you. I'm speaking, I'm practicing every day. But if I do practice every day, what you not? I'm speaking every day and recording this and uploading my channel. Then also helps for me and you. And the another thing is the most the most the most important chance for you that you can practice every day with me. I start a journey, my practice journey for 30 days. This is my third days of practicing. So if you can, then you can join with me in my everyday speaking journey. In this journey, we will speak every day what we know, what we have already around with this. For this, we don't have anything new for speaking. Then I share with you an important thing. That's this is the 31st. This is the 21st day. You know that this is an important and a special day for us. It's a mother language day. Every people all over the world, almost all over the world, every people's country uh, wake up early in this day and go their go to the Shohid Minar to respect their martyrs who live their sacrifice their lives in 1952 to protect our mother language. And for this, every year on this day, they wake up early in the morning and go their Shohid Minar to offer flower their bravest martyrs. So this is very important for us and also for you. So like with me, learn something every day and speak confidently. So have a great day.